here some dummy text. Why me? Let I will explain you. Go to print. Before going to print, go to print preview. Now we can see we have only one page, but this option you have to make more pages. How to make more pages? See, I am going to search. We have like pasted. Now we can go print preview. Just you can apply 2 pages. If you want print preview, now we can go print. When you click on print, you cancel it. I hope you are understood. Yes, we have learned print file. Click on page setup. You can apply here also. Okay, I am going to apply here only. Now we can see what are the changes will happen. I'm going to give one page. You can observe all side 1 inches is there. This is the standard. But now I will give 2 inches. Otherwise left I will give 2. Top I will give 4 inches. Now we can observe